Welcome, boys and girls. This is Miss Kidd, and I'm going to show you how to use Google Hangouts. So you need to start in your Gmail account, and over here on the left side, here are your folders, your inbox, and your drafts, and your trash, and all of the different things here. If you keep going down, you should see the word Hangouts, and this should be you right here. So if you hit the plus sign, you can choose somebody to talk to. And I'm going to choose Gabriela Garcia. And this is her. She is not yet using Hangouts, so I'm going to send an invite. And it's going to stay that way until she accepts my invitation. And when she accepts my invitation, she will pop up right down here below, and I can scroll down and see it. I can scroll down and see all of those. Okay, those are all the people that I've had conversations with. Now what happens is when you've accepted the invite and we start chatting, this is more like an instant message. It's like a text that comes very quickly. It's faster than email, and it will pop an alert. It will make an audio alert to me that somebody's trying to get a hold of me. This is a great way to let me know that you're trying to get into my Zoom, but your internet isn't working. Or you're trying to get into my Zoom, but I'm not letting you in. Something like that that you want to talk with me about. That's something that maybe you need to get my attention pretty quickly. That would be something that you would use, is Google Hangouts. And it's, like I said, it's just a chat between you and me, and it's a great way to communicate with me quickly. You will be expected to use formal language. So just like when we did the email etiquette lesson, you will be expected to use full words. This is not texting language, even though it's quick like a text. You are texting your teacher, and we're not going to use texting language. So that will be expected during our conversations, but I want everybody to accept my invitations, and if you need to communicate with me, then you can invite me so that we can communicate together through Google Hangouts. I do want everybody using Google Hangouts.